How to download videos from any website on Google Chrome. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way to download any videos from your web browser Chrome from any website. So let's just jump right in. First thing first, you need to go ahead and access Chrome's web store. And you can do that by going over to your extensions tab. If you don't see your extensions tab here, tap on the three dots and then go to extensions and then click on visit Chrome Web Store. Once you do that, your Chrome Web Store will open up. Now all you have to do here is just go ahead and search for video downloader. And here you can find the video downloader professional extension. Tap on it and then click on add to Chrome. Once you do that, click on add extension and then the extension will be added to your Chrome. And after you have gotten the extension, you can go over to any website. Like here, I can just go over to this website to download videos. So let me just go to the videos tab. I scroll down. Here are all of the available videos. What you can do is click on this extension, go over to here, tap on it, and you can find all of the available videos here, which you can download. Now you can click on this download icon right beside the video. Just make sure that it will be serially listed from top to bottom. Make sure you count which video you want to download. That's basically it, guys. If you found the video helpful, like the video and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you in the next one.